to our channel.
Good morning, welcome back. Today, I always like lean in for a kiss. I'm like,
sorry.
and then you just kind of like swerve.
I thought.
Today, our house is literally like a construction zone. Do you want to show them what you've done to the living room?
I do want to show them what I've done to the living room. So as you may know, we hate white brick. And we are in a living room with a tons of white brick. So we thought, let's get that out of here. I've never gotten paint off of brick before. It's kind of hard. Here's what I did. Yesterday, I did a little patch test. Let me show you that little patch test. Right here, it got it off pretty good. I was very happy with it, so I thought I'm gonna do a bigger patch. Now here's where I went wrong. For the first patch test, I did a little scrapey scrape action before I put on the paint stripper. I did not do that for the second time. Turns out you need to do that, so this is what it looks like. It did not really come off very well.
I think they had gray underneath and then they painted white.
It's either that or like a whitewash and it like turned kind of a grayish color, I'm not sure.
Leave your comments down below.
Anyway, now I have to do another round of that, and now I know for the rest of this I need to scrapey scrape.
I hope that Julia can get it done today. I don't know if it's gonna take us like another 2 or 3 days because I don't know, 1, how much paint stripper we have left, and 2, I don't know how long it's gonna take her. I'm feeling it today. I feel like my hormones are finally like going back to normal after having the baby, Harbor. And I just feel like, today I just wanna like crawl onto the couch with a heating pad and just watch Disney movies. That actually sounds fun. We should have a Disney movie night.
It's hard
in
here with everything I got going on.
That's why you have to fix it, babe. Come on.
I don't know if we do have enough of the paint stripper because I bought 2 different brands and one of them sucked and it smelled up the whole house.
Yeah, it was horrible.
And the other one does not suck and it does not smell up the whole house. I will show it to you because why not? Okay. You guys are interested in stripping white paint off brick. This is like the very common brand, the citrus strip. No good. Did not like it. Maybe it's because it's the one in the can. I don't know. But this like off brand I got off Amazon. Citrus paint and varnish remover gel. Safe and easy.
Safe and easy, guys. You heard it here first, folks. Safe and easy.
Safe and easy.
Just like my wife.
I did not dress appropriately for my activities.
Yeah, why didn't you wear like a jumpsuit?
I don't have a very good range of motion with this.
You're gonna have to do an outfit change.
I'm gonna have to do an outfit change.
Oh well. Harbor's still down for his first nap of the day. He's actually slept pretty decent for this first nap, which is amazing because the past week has been kind of crazy. It's 10:23, is it? Yeah, 10:23 right now. So he should wake up any minute. Just my little boy, miss him so much. Also, we still haven't replaced this table. We need to replace this table. Julia says that she doesn't like the one that we picked. Well, you said you liked it, but you weren't sure or something. I don't really know.
Expensive one?
Yeah.
I said it's expensive. If we can find a cheaper one, that would be great.
Babe, don't talk to me. Bathroom, I also got everything ready for. I have the wallpaper, I have the shower curtain rod, I have the knobs for the counter. So this is gonna completely be different soon. Also, please ignore my hair, ignore my postpartum hair loss balding spot. It's fine. Julia's currently picking a new outfit and she says, do you want to pick it for me? But I thought you were wearing something to strip paint.
Yeah,
Why don't you just wear pajamas? All she has out is socks, so.
I'm gonna wear the shirt that you hate the most
great.
of all my shirts.
Oh my gosh.
My Chemical Romance. Black Parade.
Also, we still need to fix these closet doors. When are you doing that? After the fireplace?
I thought I was doing your bathroom after the fireplace.
No, I'm doing my bathroom. Babe.
Really?
Get it together.
You're putting the wallpaper up. You're changing the fixtures.
Well, I can't change the fixtures, but I can put the wallpaper up.
Okay.
Anyway, let's see an outfit change. Ready?
Can I wear this?
Yeah, 1.
Okay, let's do a transition.
1, 2, 3. Wow. I got a package from Amazon like early this morning. It came like 8 a.m., which usually our Amazon comes at like 6 p.m. So I don't know why it came so early. I ordered new laundry baskets, so I need to open this really quick. Hopefully I don't wake up Harbor. If I do, oh well. Wow. Get out of my clip. Lily's trying to steal my thunder. Okay, anyway, these are the laundry baskets that I got. Julia said they're a little small, but...
Don't you think?
No, I think it's perfect. I think it'll be just fine. I bought 2 of them because our laundry basket, or our laundry room, is in the basement now, not just like down the hall, so I bought ones with handles, so it's a lot easier. I think I'm going to keep one in the bedroom and then one downstairs. So one will be for clean laundry and one will be for dirty laundry. That way I can just like carry them. You know what I'm saying? Hello, handsome. Hi. Hello, Stinker. Why are you sitting up like that? You're such a big boy.
Hi, sweetie.
There's mommy.
Good morning.
You want to get out of your sleep set? Harbor has been going through clothes like literally crazy business. So yesterday I stopped by like a baby boutique that's in our area. Yeah. And I got him some clothes that will fit him for the winter because he has a lot of shorts and a lot of t-shirts, but he needed pants and long sleeves, so I got him a bunch of stuff, and I need to go through his closet and like take down the shorts or like anything that doesn't fit him because he has so much stuff that is getting small. Oh my goodness! Oh, are you growling?
Spooky growl.
That is so scary. You're looking so cute. Is that your sock? One of your new socks? Are you gonna help me put away this laundry? Really? Are you serious? Yeah.
He's just gonna keep talking if you keep going.
Okay, so in his closet I have a bunch of shorts that I need to get rid of. Obviously, I think these are even like too small. I'm just gonna put them, I like label them for what age they are, and then we put them in the basement. All these jumpsuits are probably too small, and some baby wraps that we can take downstairs. But yeah, I need to basically go through all of this and put out the new stuff. Why am I out of breath? I need to get it together. I get really sad when we put away his little teeny stuff. Look at these. They're so small and so cute. Harbor, you gotta stop growing.
By the time he's ready to wear shorts again, he's gonna be a real big boy.
You're gonna be almost 2 years old. Aww. He didn't even wear these that much.
Same for the next baby.
Yeah.
Harbor doesn't like that we're putting these shorts away. He's trying to get back into them. Every time we put away his clothes, you get sad.
Maybe get him another size of this.
We keep just sizing up.
It's just the first thing we ever bought him. This was like the first onesie. I got him these little corduroy pants. Are those not so cute? He kind of has ones like this, but you guys know I'm a sucker for green. If I see green, I'm gonna buy it. Someone should just like have a store that's just like all green stuff, and I would just buy everything.
You really would.
I really would. We also got him this little sweater, and it has little buttons on the back. Tell me that's not the cutest thing you've ever seen in your entire life.
Perfect for winter.
It's perfect for my guy. It's really soft too. I wish they had like a mom size in this. This too, oh my gosh, so cute. It's like little moons. This isn't like for wearing, but it's for like at nighttime. He's not gonna wear this. This is for show.
You're gonna hang it up
I
on the
meant
wall.
sleeping. I meant like not wearing day to day. We're also going.
soft.
Ah! You trying to take me down? I'm also going to take him to the light show. We're going with Julia's family, so I got him a little beanie.
The light show.
Yeah, the light show. Anyway, we're seeing Christmas lights, and I need to find him like a little winter coat or something really warm. Yeah, we definitely need to go back because I'm realizing now we have literally nothing for you to wear. So we need to go back and get some more clothes. Where are you? Peekaboo! Where are you? Peekaboo! Hi, handsome. You coming in the kitchen? Hold on, let me get you. All right, we got all of his clothes put out in his closet. I'll probably have to make an order at like H&M or something because he definitely needs some more pants. Now Julia's probably going to strip some more paint off. I don't know what your plan is. You had your outfit already with your, what does that say? Why does it look like Malcolm Moore?
Macklemore,
Yeah.
My Chemical Romance.
It looks like Malcolm Moore from here.
Why do you keep saying Malcolmore?
I don't know, that's what it looked like. Anyway, she's probably gonna do that. Maybe me and Harbor will chill. I actually gotta make him a bottle really quick. Yeah, do you want some milk? Do you wanna go to mommy? Need milk.
Have you seen Ratatouille where the rat pulls on the guy's hair and makes him do things?
Oh,
me and Harbor.
scary guy. Meanwhile, how's it coming?
Fine, just started. So.
Well, you gotta start somewhere.
Yeah.
Excuse me. Why do you not want that? I just made that for you. Do you want me to hold you? You can drink it.
1 hour later.
I think this is gonna take us longer than I expected. I feel like you're doing a lot of space, but it doesn't really look like it because of the gray underneath, but I think it'll turn out good though. It'll be so worth it. That's what I keep telling myself.
Yes,
It'll be worth it.
I agree.
You're wondering why I'm not helping? It's because I'm on baby duty. Right, baby? Yes.
Well, how long has it been? How long have I been sitting here scraping this?
I don't know. I think it's been like over an hour now.
Really?
Yeah. God, I have such a dedicated wife.
Wise when you're having fun. Oh, sorry. I never know you're coming in for a kiss.
You wanna give mommy a kiss? Say good job,
can I have
mommy.
a kiss? Oh, thank you. That's very nice. Thank you. Yeah, so I've been scraping away over here. I haven't even put any of the gel on. And Abby's like, oh, take a break, take a break. But I feel like I have to take a break once I have the gel on because I have to have it sit for an hour at least anyway. So why would I take a break and then put it on and then have to wait an hour? Do you know what I mean? So I have to power through. We just ordered food. So I'm thinking I need to scrape in the, what do you call this again?
Grout? Crevice?
It's not grout. It's like grout. Mortar? I don't know. I need to scrape in there a little bit just to make sure that it's coming out. And then I'm going to put the gel on and then I can finally take a break. And hopefully by that time it'll all be timed out perfectly and I can eat my food that we just ordered. What do you think?
I don't know. The food's probably going to be quick, but I don't know. I guess
I'll move really
well,
fast.
you better get to working then.
We'll take the...
Go, mommy. Go, mommy. You can do it. You can do it. Go, mommy. Go, mommy. You can do it. You can do it. We're your cheerleaders. Go, mommy. Go, mommy. Oh, growling. Growling for moral support. We have such a weird baby. Like, what in the world? You're a scary monster. Yeah. All right, we'll catch you when Julia's done or the food gets here. Here, do you want one? Do you want a cracker? Do you want a cracker for your teeth? Yeah, don't drop it. Be careful. He's been loving these little like cracker things. They're supposed to be like teethers. And he chews on them all the time and he loves them. But that reminds me of some crazy moments that we had yesterday. Yeah. If you don't know, he wears the owlet at night. It's like that little sock that detects his oxygen and heart rate. And then it sets off a really loud alarm. Like if it like dips or something weird happens. If it gets too high or too low. And he somehow like kicked it off a little bit. Yeah, he somehow kicked it off a little bit and the alarm started blaring and I like busted in there, turned the light on, and he was fine. He's just laying there like, what are you doing in my room? And like, it was probably like 11:30 at night. I'm not really sure, but we hadn't gone to bed yet, so that was good. But it was just kind of crazy because we were like freaking out that something was happening. He was good. He went back to sleep. Everything was fine there. But then the next day he was eating some zucchini and it got stuck in his throat and Julia had to like basically give him the Heimlich. He started choking. It was so scary. You're giving us scares. If you didn't know this, babies are very scary. They just do so many new things and you never know what's going on. I've decided I'm going to take this off him because he is going to stain this if I don't. Arms up. Arm up. Where'd Harper go? Where'd Harper go? There he is!
Okay, so if you were wondering, I did not finish putting the paint stripper on in time for the food to get here. But who is surprised? I only ended up doing this much because first of all, I almost ran out of paint stripper. I didn't quite run out yet, but it takes a while for it to like scrape it off and to go through all of that. And I just don't know like what my plans are for the rest of the day. And I don't want to like make a huge commitment here because it already took me forever to scrape that top kind of layer off. And so I just really don't want to like commit to any more time than I need to. Harper's going down for a nap. I think he's getting a lullaby. He's singing? It's cute. Why is his arm like that?
Little chicken.
Is he sleeping?
No.
Oh, he looks very floppy.
He's just like.
You talking about me? I'm talking about you, sweetie. You're just having a cute little moment here with your mama, aren't you?
You smiling? Yeah.
So once this little boy closes his eyes, he's going down for a nap.
That's right.
You are taking a bath.
Oh, thank goodness. So
and
excited.
by that time, I will probably be able to strip the rest of the paint off. Do you think I'm going to be able to get it done today?
The whole thing?
Yeah.
No. We don't have any more stripper.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
We don't have any
Shoot.
strippers. And
We
like,
need
you
more
can't do it
strippers.
if you don't have to like entertainment.
Anyway, but the more paint stripper is coming tomorrow, so hopefully in the next vlog, I will either be done or be finishing it.
Yeah.
So
I guess we'll see, but we're gonna sit here and snug, and then I'm gonna put Harbor down. Stay tuned for our next video, because that's probably gonna be the video where it's hopefully done, fingers crossed. Watch it be like months and months.
that sounds like something we would do.
Yeah.
That's pretty much it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye!